I'm doing myself or DIYing is braiding some straw. A straw is dried out wheat. In order to braid the straw, I need to have it pressed flat. So that's what I have here. You may recognize our straw presser here from our mystery object. It's what I would use if I was braiding straw. And so you can see I've already done a little bit here, and I'll continue on. I'm just doing a 3 braid, but you can do up to 4 or 5, as many as you want. There's all sorts of different patterns that you can do while you're braiding. Now, my 3 braid here is going to turn into a Schneider Haus heart. But if I braid it much thicker, I can end up with braid that looks like this. And with a needle and thread, I can actually sew this into a hat that I can wear. When I say that the Schneiders did it themselves, they really did it themselves. Why buy a hat when you can make one? You've got plenty of wheat. All you need is a little bit of effort. So maybe see what you could try braiding at home, whether it's your own hair or a flower crown, or whether it's straw braiding like I was doing here. Whatever you do, just make sure you do it yourself.